How to recover Upwork account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily recover your Upwork password. So if you ever forget your password on Upwork, what you want to do is just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for upwork.com and just tap on this login button over here. Since you have forgotten your password, first thing first, just write in your registered username or email address, or if you have signed in with your Google account or Apple account, you can use either of those as well. So for now, let me just quickly enter my email address. So once I enter my email address, I'll simply click on continue and wait for a few seconds. And here you should see this screen where you can easily tap on this forget password to actually reset your password. So since I don't remember my password, it will not allow me to enter my account. So what you can do is just tap on this forget password button over here. And what it does, it will now ask you to enter the email address or username associated with your Upwork account. So this is my actually an email address which is associated with my Upwork account. So I'll simply click on continue. And they will be sending an email instruction to reset my password. So just check your inbox, make sure you have successfully logged into that particular Gmail account. If you don't remember that password as well, you might have to reset your Google account password as well in the same process. But if you do remember, you can just head over to the mail section and head over to your inbox section and just check your inbox to see the reset link there. So once you receive your reset link, you can actually set the new password from there and you can log into your Upwork account from the same homepage just like this, and simply click on login to successfully log into your Upwork account. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.